In today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove your Gmail account from another device. Whether you're securing your account or just want to sign out from a device you no longer use, this simple guide will help you do just that. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Once it's open, make sure you're logged into the correct Google account. To do this, tap the profile icon at the top right of the screen, and if necessary, log in with the correct Gmail account. After you've logged in, tap the profile icon again, and this time, select the Manage Google Account button. You'll be taken to a new page where you'll want to scroll to the Security tab. Once you're in the Security section, scroll down until you find the option that says Manage All Devices. Tap on Manage All Devices, and you'll see a list of all the devices that are currently signed in to your Google account. From here, you can select the device you want to remove your Gmail account from. Simply tap on that device, and then tap the Sign Out button. This will successfully remove your Gmail account from the selected device. And that's it. That's how you can easily remove your Gmail account from another device. We hope you found this video helpful. If it did, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.